Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. I'm super tired. So I'm leaving the gym right now. And one thing I noticed, I ain't gonna lie, being in New York is that I'm not finding a lot of really good Jamaican food restaurants. There's not many out here. Now don't get me wrong, there are a lot of Jamaican restaurants, but for me they're not so good. Sometimes I'm walking on the block and some people ask me to come by their place and to talk about it, but you guys know me. I just cannot talk about a place if the food isn't up to par. Some of them have tried food there already, and boy, I don't know, man. I don't know if it's people who have grandmothers from Jamaica and they say that they're a Jamaican cook, or I don't know, man. It's kind of a weird thing. If you guys do agree, let me know, and if you have any food or restaurant recommendations, please send them to me. However, tomorrow we're going to be going to a restaurant which it's said to be like a top chef, a top Jamaican chef. Everybody loves it. I think the place is called Simpson's. So if that's one of your recommendations, don't drop it, because I'm going to be going there tomorrow. And yeah, so since I've been here, I've been cooking for a couple people. Anybody that wants to try, anything that I make, they get to try it, get a chance to try it. Now, I'm not no big top chef. I'm not one of those persons that's going to tell you like, oh, I'm the greatest chef in the world. What I do know good food. And because I do know good food and what food should taste like, I find that I tend to know how to make it. So that's that. Now, stew peas is what I'm gonna be making today. I haven't made that in easily 2 years, because honestly, I rather eat food from people. Like, if you can cook it good, I don't see the point where I need to make it. Now, since I've been here, a couple of people want to try the food, so I'm gonna be making it with one of my friends today. And yeah, she's gonna tell me what she thinks about it. I did make a post on Instagram. Someone else said that they wanted to try it. No problem. I love sharing food. I love getting people's honest feedback. So that's going to be the vibe. So I did start the prep from last night because I don't have a pressure cooker here. You don't need a pressure cooker to make stew peas. I'm gonna cut to that part where I was, prepping all the ingredients so you guys can see what it looks like.
This was like years ago.
All right, so you guys saw what I did last night and into this morning when I got up. And before I went to the gym, I left it to slow cook. I've been at the gym for about 2 hours, so it's on a very low heat. It was at 4 on an electric stove, now it's at 2, and I just left it. And now I'm heading back home to finish it off. My friend should stop by like around 7 o'clock. So yeah, I'm basically trying to make everything ready by that time. And I've done it to that person's preference, you know. There's certain things that they said they like in their stew piece, so I'm making it that way. And it's pretty close or similar to how I like it. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna make carrot juice. It's funny, some people make their carrot juice, they like to make it, they boil the carrots and then they blend it up and it's kind of thick. I don't like it that way. And I'll drink it with ginger and lemon or whatever, that's cool. But my favorite way to have it is actually with milk or rum and Guinness, whatever the case is. So that's gonna be the vibe. So yeah, I'm super tired, man. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna head home, get this meal completed, and see what people think about the dish. And fun fact, one of the persons did mention to me, she said to me, I could see you owning a restaurant one day in New York. Am I honestly that person that wants to like cook in a restaurant or whatever? No. To own one, yes. The restaurant business, people have told me many times, yo, we want to see you have a food spot. I will do something eventually. But the restaurant business, guys, is very hectic, man. You don't really make, the profit margins are not usually the best. And yeah, you got to rely on people to really come through. There's so much that goes into it. And what I noticed with a lot of Jamaican restaurants on this block, like they're not full. It's weird. It's like I'm not seeing like a good traffic flow. I can pass by some right now and I'm only going to see like 1 or 2 persons. It's kind of wild. It's kind of wild. There goes one over there. I mean, that's a Caribbean restaurant, but there's nobody in that restaurant, yo. I don't know, maybe I'm the dumb one, but I'd never want to have a restaurant and people are not in it. That's just me. I want a small little restaurant, maybe something like that size, probably can hold like 10 tops. That's basically it. At my restaurant, I have people there I go like, just I go and I eat food because I don't know, I think when you make food, you want to see people eat that, you know what I'm saying, and love it. And one thing that I noticed though, especially in Brooklyn, that I never noticed much back home in Jamaica is that if you want to start a business or open a restaurant, it's a little bit more accessible. Because in Jamaica, all of the prime areas where there's foot traffic, like here, there's a lot of foot traffic. People keep walking past, you know, and there's Uber Eats and stuff like that. Back in Jamaica, most of the spots are taken. So anywhere that you would like to put your spot, it's taken, so it's hard. But here, every day when I walk past this area here, there's probably at least 10, 12 vacant areas where you could put something in. So that's the benefit. I'm sure the rent is high though. Anyway, let me go home and put this together. Forgot that I needed to get me some carrots. I'm gonna pick that up real quick. Some carrots, some milk. I think that's about it. Only in America, man.
Because people greedy, you're supposed to get your to-go box, but you want to come sit down and eat and try food before.
Yeah, because if it don't taste good, I don't want it to go.
Bomba!
Yo, this is mad good.
You trying to make me feel good.
Okay, good.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It tastes really good. I would say something, but I ain't gonna say it.
Cut!
Yeah, this is going out to Uber right now. Yeah, carrot juice and that. Ooh.
thing large. Alright, so you eat a plate and get a next plate.
Yep.
Your little mini tasting plate. But what did you say about the carrot juice? I don't drink some already. But what did you think about it?
It's fun. It's really nice because I expected like guineas.
Mm-hmm.
We put real nephew in here. It's so good, nice and light. It's not thick. It tastes like my grandmother made it on a Sunday evening. Yeah, really, really nice. I can't wait to like go home and, well, not now, well, tomorrow, warm it up and eat everything. It's gonna be so good.
Marinate a little bit down.
Marinate the bit. I'm over here struggling. Come. Thank you so much. It's good. It's really good.